Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I've got a quick box opening of my March watchgang black membership watch. Before we get to that, we'll do a quick wrist check. You'll see that I am wearing the Hell Gray Vigilante. And sorry for the lighting today, guys. One of my lights actually blew a fuse, so I'm having to position my lights a little different, causing a little more glare than usual. Also, guys, if you're looking for some discount codes and promo codes, I've got them for Aviate, Spinnaker, and Ballast. And guys, I'm going to put the link again below to my video for the Iconinc. It used to be the Hampton Bay, but now it's the Halocline piece, which is live on Kickstarter right now. There is not that much time left on that one, so if you wanted to join in on the Kickstarter campaign, I will also provide the link to that as well. Now, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what I got for my watch for March from watchgang. Now, if you guys don't know, watchgang is the monthly membership watch subscription company. The black membership is the one that I still subscribe to, which is the $99 one. It's kind of my favorite one. I think you get some pretty decent pieces at that $99. Shield is not one that I've heard of, so you do get some micro brand pieces, obviously. But let's take a look and see what we've got here. Shield. Well, I will definitely have to do my research on this one because I honestly know nothing about it. It does have kind of a wide profile. The way the lugs come down, it doesn't slim down very much, but I do like the look. It's not overly thick, which is nice. Looks like we've got just a fold over clasp. Actually a nice bracelet on this one. Not too bad. Let's see what the back says. Camera does not want to focus. Sorry, guys. Japan movement. 200-meter water resistant. Shield. Huh. Got their logo on the crown. Not too bad, though. I actually kind of like the look of it. Just kind of simple, clean. A lot of brushwork on the bracelet. Not too shabby. Let me kind of throw it on wrist here real quick just to see what it looks like on my roughly 7-inch wrist. I haven't even pulled any of the plastics off, obviously. That's how that one looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. It looks like it's got a pretty decent lug-to-lug size on that one because it's taking up almost my whole wrist there. But it doesn't look overly huge. It's a little big for me, honestly. Looks like I probably need to remove about 4 links from the bracelet, but not bad looking for my $99 subscription. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.